More people in Washington will be able to get the COVID-19 vaccine tomorrow, and even more in Oregon will be added to the eligibility list on Monday. And now smaller vaccine clinics are starting to pop up with the intention of reaching communities of color, which have been hit hardest by the COVID-19 pandemic. They're going directly into these communities, not only offering vaccines, but also resources and education. And we got a closer look at one of these clinics. Our Drew Reeves joins us now live in studio with more.
Yeah, communities of color have been disproportionately affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, but health officials say despite that, there is still a lot of fear about the vaccine. So they've been hosting clinics in these communities to try and address that fear and try to stop COVID-19 from taking more lives. Emmanuel Temple Church in North Portland became the site where hundreds of people took their next steps in the fight against COVID-19 Monday.
I saw everything from fear to anxiety, to relief, to elation, to all kinds of things.
575 doses of the Pfizer vaccine were given to community members who were able to make an appointment. The clinic, though, catering to communities of color.
This is definitely one of many efforts that are happening throughout the county to make sure that we're not leaving anyone in any community behind.
The clinic, a partnership between the church, OHSU, and Multnomah County's REACH program. REACH standing for Racial and Ethnic Approaches to Community Health.
Our work and intention is really to serve the population.
Charlene McGee, manager of the REACH program, says these clinics are also helping to get vaccines to many in these communities who lack internet access and resources.
It's intentional that we're partnering with organizations like Emmanuel Church, as well as other church and culturally specific organizations that have staff with a relationship that can literally sign multiple people up, to help to bridge that barrier that we know exists with the digital divide.
The clinic's also providing education, as health officials say many in the community are still worried about getting their vaccine.
So we really were trying to go to the community to eliminate some of these things that affect communities of color.
And they say from what they saw, it's working.
There are community members there today who have been hospitalized for 3 weeks with COVID, were still afraid to take the vaccine, and today showed up, or showed up yesterday.
And while the work has been tiring and nonstop, they say the results keep them going.
I look at it honestly that every vaccine we deliver is a chance to prevent somebody from succumbing to COVID.
And REACH says it will continue to plan these clinics until they can get a vaccine to everyone who wants one. Reporting live in studio, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.